Hey, it's Jake Ryan from Westside Mitsubishi. This is how we're going to be doing the draw today. I got some Timbits here, got all the names, including the ones that shared the videos, the 5 extra entries, and we're going to do the Canadian fortune cookie. So, just grab a random name here. We're going to do 10 of these Timbits. We're going to take these names, and we're going to stuff them in Timbits, just like so. There we go. And we'll put it back in the box. And one for me. All right, it's time to stuff the last Timbit, the last Canadian fortune cookie. And so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go around the office and 10 of these are stuffed, and the rest of the Timbits, well, they're just normal. So we're gonna go around, whoever wants a Timbit gets a Timbit. If they happen to bite into one and it's your name, you are the winner of this week's massive prize. All right, let's go hand these out. Hey, Mark's here, look at Mark. Mark, why don't you have yourself a Timbit there, brother?
Sure.
Look at Mark and his tasty treat. Are you gonna have a Timbit? You're not gonna have a Timbit? Let me offer you a Timbit here.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Enjoy, my friend.
Thank you.
That one didn't have a name in it. That was one of the unstuffed ones. We always gotta introduce the new employees. Here's the Timbit. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it, I promise. Oh, hey, Tommy. How you doing, buddy? Hey, man, you wanted a Timbit or what, bud?
I like it.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. I like that one.
Yeah.
That's a tasty one there.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
What is that? Oh, it's the Canadian fortune cookie. It looks like there's a fortune now in the Tim Hortons
Canadian fortune.
Timbits.
Wow. Let's
Wow.
see what my fortune is.
Sure, let's check it out.
It says, I am... Oh, no. It's a name. Wow.
Dwight Baker.
Dwight Becker.
Oh, Backos. Well,
Well,
there you-
congratulations, Dwight.
Yeah, Dwight, you win yourself a Timbit. Just kidding, you're not winning a Timbit. You're actually getting an iPad mini. Congratulations. Share this video for 5 extra entries into next week's draw. Also, tell us what vehicle I'm sitting beside so you get an extra 3 entries as well. I'm getting out of here. I'm out of here. I'm Jake Ryan. Congratulations to the winner, and I'm out of here.
Oh!